This video is sponsored by GEEKOM. So my old laptop had to be quarantined after contracting some sort of strange infection during the filming of another video. Whoa. I don't know what could have caused that. Luckily, I was able to replace it quick enough that the others didn't notice it was missing. Why are you gray? And what am I gonna do with my brand new super powerful laptop to test it out? Play the latest games? Calculate prime numbers? Egg? No. I'm gonna be installing ChromeOS. Why? I have no idea. I think my addiction to making computers terrible might be getting worse, but that's probably nothing to worry about. This USB has been flashed with ChromeOS Flex, which Google has created just so you can install it on all your computers if you're insane for some reason. Yeah. Seriously, who is willingly thinking, I really wish my computer was a web browser, and that's it. I wish there was a convenient way to give Google all my data for free. Oh, I guess that would be me, huh? Well, let's do it. So there are two things I want to try after I install this. First, Android. ChromeOS has built-in Android support, which means we can do some Android gaming for some reason. I don't know why I want to do that. Just sounds funny. Don't question my decisions. And second, since this is technically Linux, we could probably force it to play desktop games. So yeah, we'll find a way to get Steam on here too, just to see what will happen. Let's get started. Although before I continue, I'm going to fulfill a contract. Let's learn about the laptop. This is GEEKOM's new GeekBook X14, which they are claiming is the world's lightest all-metal laptop, weighing in at only 2.2 pounds. Oh, so like a netbook. No, not a netbook, you chucklehead. Does yours have an Intel Core Ultra 9 with ARC graphics and 32 gigabytes of RAM handling demanding tasks with ease? No, mine has... Yeah, an Atom? Yeah, perfect for pretending you have a real computer. What is this, 2009? You're not even in the right era. Okay, but I bet it doesn't have a stunning 14-inch, 2.8K, 16x10, 120 Hz OLED display. Oh. And does yours have 2 terabytes of solid-state storage, a fingerprint scanner, awesome speakers, and great cooling, all powered by a 72-watt-hour battery, lasting up to 16 hours? No, but mine plays Peggle. Peggle? Yeah, this one can too, man, if you really want. It's also got all the ports you probably need. It comes with a dongle. Hell yeah, brother, I'm in! Whoa, okay, geez. If you're into and want to get one of your own, check out the links in the description and use code MTBGBook10 for 10% off. And GEEKOM has a 16-inch version if you like that more. Now, back to your haphazardly scheduled chaos. Oh, what the hell? Cool engine. Wow. Drive loud. It sounds so cool. Nothing could be cooler than ChromeOS. It's time to install it. It's time to make my computer actively worse.
Screen reader on ChromeOS.
Shut up! Computers are not allowed to talk. Press spacebar. Oh wait, I was not supposed to press spacebar. Now what is that? What does this mean? Why does the mouse not work?
Welcome to Flex. Dialogue. Button.
Welcome to ChromeOS Flex dialogue. Get started button. Thanks, ChromeOS. I did not mean to turn on the frickin' narrator. Goodbye. Install ChromeOS. Installing ChromeOS will overwrite all data. No, not my Ubuntu and Windows Fortnite Edition dual boot. Oh man. I don't care. Install. Installation may take up to 20 minutes. Okay, well, I guess we're gonna be waiting for 20 minutes. Oh, it's done. That was not 20 minutes, Google. I was gonna go, like, eat lunch. Preventing me from eating. This is an OSHA violation. Remove the USB before turning your device back on. What if I remove it now? Gotta blur all that. Also, why does no one change their Spectrum router to, like, something actually that's just what you want to connect a Spectrum setup for the rest of your life? The hell's wrong with you? All right, I'll connect to my network. You could make it for a child. Don't give your child a Chromebook. Just give them a Windows 7 computer with unlimited access to the internet. See how they turn out. They'll turn out fine. They'll be okay. It's for personal use. I am not a child. Installing the latest update. About 10 minutes left. Are you sure about that? It's already, like, halfway complete. I think ChromeOS expects a way less powerful computer than this. Oh, it's restarting. Oh, it's okay. Hi. Yes, the GEEKOM Google Book. Buy yours now in the description. Yours won't have ChromeOS on it, though. You have to install it manually. I can't believe they're letting me do this. Can you believe they sent me this for free? Sign into your Chromebook. All right, give me a second. Don't look. Don't look. I'm doing something. Yes, that was me, unfortunately. Review these terms and control. No, we're turning all this off. Let Google use hardware. No, stop being greedy. Just accept what you've got. You already know enough. You don't need to know more. There's nothing more you could learn about people. They have a computer, they've installed it, and it might be the latest one. It might be a toaster from 2003, even though you say you can't install it on one of those, but we'll see. We'll see. I'll do it. I'll put it on a fucking toaster. Sorry, create a password. Do I have to? Can I have no password on my Chrome GeekBook? Chromebook? Let's see. Enter. Nope, it has to be at least 8 characters. How about the number 1 8 times? Oh, wow, it worked. Hey, the secure password. No, it'll guess 111111111. I got the most secure password in all the land. Next. We're really speeding through this. What will you use your Chromebook for? Gaming, of course. What do you think I'm gonna do on this? Oh, what is wrong with me? Next. Your Chromebook comes with Gemini. Oh yeah, AI. Oh, so cool. It's gonna like tell me to set my house on fire because I told it would be beneficial to my mental health. Next, get started. Oh, we're in. Yay! How to use a Chromebook? It's like a computer. You don't need to go through all this. Scroll 2 fingers. Is this made for idiots? Is this made specifically for idiots? Do we not know how to use a computer yet? You've had at least 15 years where computers have been mainstream. 15 years brings us back to 2010. Why do people have trouble clicking a mouse? I think we're doomed. Okay, I'm gonna calm down. Well, we got all the Google stuff on here. It's a Chromebook. What did you expect? I can remote into my computers, I guess. It's got a camera. Does it recognize the camera? Oh, it does. We can scan documents. Can I scan my face? That's me. That's the document. Save it as a PDF. Cool. All right. Well, we've turned this into a touchscreenless, hyper-overpowered Android tablet. Oh, it has YouTube. Would you like to see some games? Yes. I would love to see some games. Let's play some Android games. Rock. Oh! So I assume to do that, we're gonna have to install some stuff. Wait, where's the Play Store? I thought you could put Android stuff on ChromeOS. Is there not a way to download apps on this thing? Uh-oh. Okay, it's been an hour. Apparently, in Google's quest to be the worst company on the planet, they have completely disabled the ability to install apps or use Android features on ChromeOS Flex. Yeah, this stuff is only for real Chromebooks. It's almost as if Google wants you to just buy one. I would never stoop that low. So you would then think, must just need to break out the terminal and type some commands to re-enable it, right? No, wrong. From what I can see, that's impossible. If you're wanting full ChromeOS on a non-Chromebook, what you actually need to do is reinstall the entire OS with a modified recovery image for a real Chromebook using this. This is Brunch, and it does that. So I'm gonna use it over to the audio recording PC, whose only purpose is to record audio. Hello. Welcome to the computer. We're setting up Brunch. And to do that, first I have to give my computer an identity crisis by installing Windows Subsystem for Linux. Windows Subsystem for Linux acquired. This is gonna turn out great. I can feel it. We'll be Android gaming in no time. I've already downloaded the correct file. Here it is. Look at it. It's awesome. Now we need Brunch. Installed. We'll go there. CD into the download folder. Extract Brunch. Extract ChromeOS. It's inflating it? Excuse me? How long does it take to extract a 1 GB file? It should not take any time. I could have just extracted this like myself. What is it doing? What are we doing? Nothing. I'll do it myself. Get in there. Now we're installing Brunch to the ChromeOS file. Easy enough. Oh, it's done. Got our file. We're gonna Rufus it and boot it and it's gonna work. It's gonna work. Surely this will just be 100% compatible and work and then we'll be able to do it. This is so pointless. Go. What? No, boot it. What are you doing? No, it can't be. It doesn't work. Okay. I will use different USB. So it's been 6 hours. There have been some experiments. As you can probably tell, I didn't do much research before plastering nonsense into this iPhone's camera sensor. Number 1, I went into this video thinking ChromeOS supports running Android apps. Obviously, like I said before, that is not the case. I'm probably a moron, but I think this computer is too recent for the hack job imposter ChromeOS that I was trying to shove onto it. You gotta be kidding me. It doesn't work. It doesn't work. Don't. Nearing my last level of insanity, I tried FidoOS because it is basically ChromeOS with no Google and all the main features including Android. There's 5 different options. How about we just do verified image A? Nope. Verified image B? Nope. What is error that? My mind is gonna melt out of my brain. And clearly, that didn't work either, so here we are. However, I have not given up. No, This will run Android apps. We will be Android gaming. I will make this just like the real Chromebooks, minus the Celeron. Yeah, definitely not that. Because there is hope. Waydroid exists, and it's a thing that runs Android on Linux. And guess what? ChromeOS is Linux. And it has a terminal that is technically Linux in a virtual environment or something. And I'm going to try to make Waydroid work through that. So here we are, the Waydroid guide. Not sure why I didn't try this first, but we don't think about the past. It would appear ChromeOS's kernel is terrible, so we have to make a new one before installing Waydroid. I'm just gonna copy all of this and not read it at all, and hopefully everything will be fine. It said the make commands didn't work. That's not good. It's fine, continue pasting stuff. Oh, there's more errors? It's good. Continue pasting stuff. Cannot start it because it didn't freaking work. I know, I'll just take the pre-compiled kernel. That'll work. I don't need to do any of that other stuff now. All right, now what we have to do is open Crosh, Control-Alt-T. That's fun. Another terminal. Now there are 2 of them. I am scared. And now, if everything has gone to plan, I should be able to type these 2 commands to first stop the Linux VM and then start it again with our custom kernel that I just downloaded, which will then allow us to run Waydroid. Enter. Huh? Unknown command. Hi, it's me. I'm from the future, and I'm also an idiot. I'm just gonna do a voiceover for this part because what is happening here is impossibly unintelligible.
Oh my god, you motherfucker.
So to install Waydroid, I simply had to follow this guide by Soup Chicken and type these commands correctly. But it seems my brain is a solid mess because I just repeatedly spelled kernel wrong and got frustrated when it didn't work. And then once I figured that out, I again couldn't type the file paths right and got frustrated when it couldn't find the custom kernel I downloaded. I might just be stupid. I think that's what the problem here is. But finally, by some sort of miracle of science, I grew neurons in my brain and typed it correctly. There we go. We've successfully loaded the custom kernel. Don't know what's wrong with me. I keep spelling kernel as kernel. Looks like there is a one-click installation script. I would love to do that instead of doing all of this. But here's where new problems began, and I have no idea what it was going on, but sometimes the custom kernel would just not be loaded. Boot it with a custom kernel. It is. Here, I'll try stopping it and then restarting it. It worked, see? Now do the script. Once I got past all that, it still didn't work. Broken pipe. It turned out what I was following was missing some steps to install some important dependencies, at least according to this person. So I did everything again following their fork, and it worked. I was even able to compile my own custom kernel to enable the Android Binder IPC driver. That didn't stop me from repeatedly typing file paths wrong again for 5 minutes straight. Now, how the hell was that any different than what I was typing before? Is it because there's a space here somehow? There isn't. Just thinks there is. Or the kernel from randomly just not loading. Please boot Termina VM with custom kernel. Just fucking broke itself. But eventually I sorted that out, and I actually got Waydroid to install. And landed on another problem. The command to start Waydroid that the terminal told me to type in it did not start Waydroid. The only thing that fixed it was doing the optional step of installing ChromeOS Auto Start and having the Linux VM boot with the custom kernel. It sounds pretty obvious, but it said optional, okay? But anyway, after all that, it worked. So behold, Android running in ChromeOS's virtual Linux environment, which is running on ChromeOS. So technically this is 3 layers of stupidity, but don't worry, I've gone further. Behold, Amethyst. This is a successor to Pojov Launcher, which I made a video about. You could watch it here. I installed that on the Fire Hazard iPhone. Basically what that does is runs Minecraft Java Edition in Android. Let's just let this sink in for a minute. I am essentially running Minecraft Java Edition, which is meant for PC, in a layer that lets it run on Android, in another layer that lets Android run on Linux, in another layer that lets Linux run on ChromeOS. What are we doing? Why am I doing this? And not only are there like 100 layers of compatibility. Mouse, get back in there. Yeah, the mouse kind of just escapes. It runs flawlessly, except for some reason I can't move. I tested this. I don't know why I can't move. It's probably because I clicked outside the window. Hold on, I gotta restart the whole thing. I can move now. Yay. I can't look all the way around though because the mouse hits the edge of the screen. It's 60 FPS locked. I don't have view bobbing on for some reason anymore. What is this display driver it's detecting? It is right. It is Intel Arc graphics. Good. For some reason I feel like I'm moving a little slow. Maybe it's because my hand doesn't work. Hello, B. You can't right click. Oh yes you can. The buttons are backwards because I play the game weird. Bees poison you? Get out of here. No. All right, let's build a house. This is my house. We did it. We mined. Oh, we didn't craft though. Hold on. There we go. Minecraft. Minecrafted. I've done it. I have created the most stupid way to play this game. Also, I accidentally created a penile structure. That's great, but I'm not done yet. We don't just want to play Minecraft on Android, on Linux, on ChromeOS. No, we could go a step further. We can play actual real games on here. I don't care what it takes. My insanity has lapsed too far. Transition text. So you know how ChromeOS is kind of Linux? Guess what we could do? We could install Steam, but not from the terminal. It's not in there. We gotta download it from the browser. Give me the Deb. Give me the Deborah. There we go. Perfect. Put it in the Linux files. Save it as Steam. I am following a guide because I'm stupid at Linux, but that should not matter. Surely I'm smart enough to type words into a terminal. Errors were encountered while processing. Well, that's okay because it appears that the next command is literally called fix broken install. So we'll do that. There it goes. Oh my god. And now for some dependencies. Hopefully I typed all that right. Enter. Unable to locate those. Why? Why can't it locate those three things? Did I type those incredibly wrong? What is going on? What is this? It would help if I entered all of the commands the guide was telling me to enter. There we go. Now I just need to upgrade all this and then install the dependencies. Now we can probably install it. Actually, it's already installed. I can just launch it now. Press return to proceed with installation. Yes. Password 111111. It's installing. Look, it's doing the massive update it does every time you launch Steam. Perfect. Truly the Steam experience we all know and love. Unpacking Steam runtime. It's loading Steam. It's done. Valve hardware survey. Oh, yes. Why is the mouse so tiny? Yeah, get ChromeOS on a Core Ultra 9 in the survey. Let's see. What does it say here? Manufacturer unknown. Model unknown. Form factor laptop. At least you got that. There it is. Operating system. Debian Linux. Oh, right. It's running through Debian's translation layer. That's fine. At least I know in my heart it is ChromeOS. Number of video cards. Wait, not detected? We don't have graphics acceleration? Oh no. What kind of game can we play without graphics acceleration? What is RatQuest? This just appeared in my library. What is this? Wait, does that... Oh, what is going on? Why is everything so terrible? Play. Come on. I think I am playing. What is happening? I think I just teleported into hell. Does Half-Life 1 work? It's like full of static. Why is the audio full of static? Load game. Wait, what is it? What kind of graphics is it using? OpenGL. All right, sure, buddy. Okay. What is this save file? Is it about to explode already? Okay, stop. Low battery. I can't see. Oh my god. Why was that running so bad? Did that instantly eat all of our battery? Don't turn on battery saver. We need the best performance possible. Wait, oh right. It said that the GPU was turned off. I need to enable that. And for some reason, the setting is in Chrome. Developers try not to put settings in the most ridiculous place possible. Challenge 100% fail. There we go. Turn on cross-TNE support. Yes. You restart your device. Okay, I need to do another thing. Scheduler configuration? Enable. Wait, why wouldn't you want to have hyperthreading turned on? Why wouldn't you want GPU support either? That doesn't make any sense. All right, restart the computer. Restart. Whoa! Why does it flashbang me when I restart the computer? It's gaming time. It's gaming time. Stop hitting the computer, moron. We got GPU acceleration. This should be like it's running natively. Half-Life. Play. Oh, there it goes. Hopefully not 7 of them are opening. What? It died. Why did it die? WebM player, play video, balls, Steam apps, Half-Life, valve.webm. Well, that was very short-lived. Can I have Steam back, please? Come on, open. Terminal. What are you doing? Jesse, why are you blue? Why are you blue, Jesse? Jesse, why are you blue? More importantly, why are you not opening? Nothing seems to be happening. There's not even any icon for it. Open. Nope. Gotta restart the computer again. Oh, yay, Steam's back. Come on, play Half-Life at a higher frame rate and I'll be satisfied. Now that we have GPU acceleration, there's no excuse. It didn't crash this time. That was a sound. Oh, wow. That's so much better. Quick, I don't remember how to kill this. Jeez, it's so loud. Well, it's certainly running. I don't remember how to play this part of the game. Is it... Device battery low. Thanks for intercepting the immersion. Oh wait, this is just the end of the game. Gordon Freeman. Yeah, shut up, G-Man, I know. Let's try a different part of the game. Cool, I'm in a hole. Where the hell am I? Gun. Cool, Half-Life runs. Let's push it to its limits. Half-Life 2? Surely the ChromeOS to Linux to Windows translation layer won't fail us now. Come on, process Vulkan shaders faster. I wonder how many dents are in my microphone below this thing. Oh, hey, it's working. Yeah. Yeah, Valve logo. Yeah. Skip that. Hey, wow, it's running. Half-Life 2, load. I don't know what part of the game I want to go. It crashed. Oh no, we got 1% of battery. Oh no, it died. Okay, let's try it this time. Plugged in. Half-Life 2. It's working. What is that? Right, I forgot that happened. Stop spinning me. I'm dizzy. Put me down. Ugh. I have to play this game with a freaking touchpad. I thought I was just gonna drive the car. Flip it over. What's the button for the thing? There. Hell yeah, Half-Life 2, it's working. Look at it go. Impressive, but not as impressive as Grand Theft Auto 5. It's not gonna take an hour, is it? No, it's not gonna take an hour. It takes like 10 minutes to download this game. I just waited an hour for GTA to download. I swear if this doesn't work. Play. What's that tiny window behind everything? What is this? You can't resize it. Awesome. It's just the Rockstar logo in a window. No, you don't get cookies. I hate you, Rockstar. Guys, I don't think it's working. It's stuck in loading purgatory. I think this is too much for the multiple translation layers this is going through. What about Portal 2? Portal 2? It's working! Look at the bald man. Don't look at me. Oh, I used to be afraid of the bald man. I wouldn't be able to play this game late at night because he would freak me out. Cool sound. It's working. Why does the mouse not move? Hello? What are you doing? If I do it real slowly, will it move? I can walk.
If the enrichment center is currently being bombarded with fireballs...
My brain is being bombarded by confusion. What are you doing? Move it hard enough, it kind of works. Options, keyboard and mouse. Raw mouse input turned off. Oh, there we go. Hey, it's working. And it's running pretty well. Except for that. It's fine. And except for that, we're all good. Micro stutters don't stop us. Those are more like macro stutters, though. I guess I'm on level 5. I thought I chose the intro, but here we are. This is easy. See, I'm a genius. I did it. I wish we had enrichment centers in real life. I just do my puzzles all day with no care in the world. Damn it. I was a little late on that, wasn't I? Do it again. That's a little too fast. All right, buddy. Oh, wait. I'm like trying to double brain this when I can just walk over here and grab it. This is what happens when you do YouTube for a living. Your brain melts out of your head. All right, yay, look at that. Yes.
All Aperture Science personality constructs will remain functional in apocalyptic, low-power environments of as few as 1.1 volts.
My brain is operating on 1.1 volts. It did it. Yay. That's it. That's the video. We took a laptop that was perfectly fine, shoved ChromeOS on it, now it can do nothing, and we gamed and it works not very well. Anyway, I just wanted to give another big thank you to GEEKOM for sponsoring this video for some reason. They must really like it when I make their computers useless. Remember, you can get one of your own in the description and use this code to get 10% off. Yeah, that's the video. If you liked it, give it a like. If you want to see more, subscribe. Stick around to the end for a song with Chromebook sounds. And also check out my other channels. We've got extras, which I kind of don't post on that much. Gaming, music, animations. And thank you so much to my members who are, oh god, they're getting sucked into my solder fume sucker, no. And thank you for watching. Bye.